Welcome to Podnutz Daily for January 12th, 2009. I've been saying 2008 for the last, few podcasts, but I'm wrong. It's 2009, episode number 135. So today, I think because of the new year, it's like, I think it's like how cars come out. You get like to 2005 model, and it's only like 2004, or it's like late 2003. Well, we finally got XP Antivirus 2010 for the first time today on a customer's machine. What a cheesy program this is. It's got a fake Windows Security Center, then it goes into a fake blue screen, then it goes into a fake Windows rebooting screen where the Windows bar is moving across the screen, and it's telling you have to register your version of XP Antivirus 2010. Pathetic. What it did, though, it wouldn't see the customer didn't even bring it in for that reason. They had Norton installed on their machine, and they wanted to upgrade to the latest version of Norton. And Antivirus 2010 would not allow any installations or upgrades or anything like that. So what we did to fix it was we did a system restore, basically back to before they got XP Antivirus 2010, which in effect removed it from the registry. Then we were able to function. We could then uninstall the latest Norton and install the latest Norton, and then we just go ahead and do our cleanup procedure and run Malwarebytes. I don't know if Malwarebytes takes care of XP Antivirus 2010, but I'm pretty sure that it does. I got to check on that. So I like to do that a lot of times, do a system restore first, then do your cleanup procedure. At least you're working with what could possibly be a clean registry instead of trying to patch up a damaged registry. Okay, next thing we had was my dad was having problems connecting to the internet on one of the machines. Every time he plugged in an Ethernet cable, it would connect and then disconnect and then connect and then disconnect in a loop. Now, we wired our office with Ethernet cables, and we tested all of the Ethernet wires and the Ethernet ports. We installed ports in the wall and stuff like that, and we tested them all. Everything checked out fine, so we didn't think that was the problem. What it turned out to be was a cheap switch we bought at Micro Center, a 4-port switch coming off of the router. One of the ports was bad, and every time we plugged something into it, it would attempt to connect and disconnect and go in an endless loop. So I guess you get what you pay for, because we think we paid like $5 for the switch. So it was a TrendNet. It was actually TrendNet, which I haven't had a problem with in the past, but never again for that company. Oh gosh, that's pretty much it for the shop today. All day I worked on one laptop jack repair, which was just a huge pain in the butt on a gateway computer. I damaged one jack and I had to go buy another one and reinstall that. So that's basically what I did all day long. I don't have anything from the shop today. It's going to be a short show today. Let me play a couple voicemails and then we'll get into some emails. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, shoot. Can you guys hear me now? Okay, I see in the chat, no sound. Damn, I forgot to hit audio. I don't want to say that whole thing I just said over again. Okay, but you'll have to listen to the audio podcast to hear, but I'll go over a quick summary and then I'm going to go into voicemails. XP Antivirus 2010 we got in the shop for the first time today. You get the cheesy fake Internet Security or Windows Security Center, then a fake blue screen, then a fake Windows loading screen, and then it prompts you to buy XP Antivirus 2010. It says you don't have the latest updated version. Well, anyway, that was on our machine. We got rid of it by doing a system restore, and then we did our normal cleanup procedures. So if you do a system restore back to before the point you got XP Antivirus 2010, you can get rid of it, and then just do Malwarebytes, CCleaner, submit fraud fix, go into msconfig and clean it up, and just do your normal cleanup procedure. But we cleared it by doing a system restore first of all. Okay, voicemails. Thank you, Nevin, for Skyping me. That was a good way to get my attention. Okay, what do we got here? Looks like everybody's telling me that. Okay, here we go. First voicemail.
Hey, Steve. I just got done listening to episode 131. Just thought I'd let you know. I've run into a few Dells here and there where the antennas for the wireless internal card doesn't go up into the screen. They just kind of terminate on each end in the main board. Thought I'd let you know. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. That's in reference to caller or it was an email. I think it was an email, maybe from Ray, where he wanted to install a wireless card into a laptop that didn't have antennas, like a wireless internal card into a laptop that didn't have one, therefore did not have the antennas. And he's saying sometimes I said the antennas go up the screen all the time, but sometimes I guess they don't go up the screen. They could go up to the edge of the motherboard or some other contact point where they could try to make some kind of antenna-like connection. Okay, let me play another voicemail.
Hey, Steve, I believe the partition manager you're looking for is EASUS, EASEUS.
Okay, thank you. That's in reference to, I was trying to find that free partitioning tool that I like, and Mitch had also emailed me on it. I didn't hear the first name of that who left me the voicemail. It's called EASUS Partition, EASEUS Partition. And that's a partition program I use. It's free. It looks like a Partition Magic type clone. It looks like a Partition Magic clone. It works great, though. It's nice and light, easily downloadable, short, small program. Does the job. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, also, we use the Norton recovery tool. Wait, is that for today? Yeah, let me talk about a couple other things for today from the shop. We use a Norton recovery tool today, which you can download from Norton. If you're ever having trouble uninstalling a Norton product, download the Norton recovery tool from Norton's website, or not Norton recovery tool, the Norton uninstall tool. And just it wipes out any Norton product you have on your machine, whether you want it or not. So make sure when you use it, you know that it's going to take care of every Norton thing on the machine. And then I just wanted to stress or bring up another point. I'm working on another machine. I'm not done it yet, but it basically it gives it a dead giveaway that the machine has viruses or some type of malware. When it first boots up, I get a lot of errors saying that the computer can't find certain files, and these files are random character type files like XGYFC2 whatever .dll or something. Those random file names where they have just completely random characters are usually malware. And if you're ever in MS-config trying to clean stuff up in the startup or services, look for those random charactered files and uncheck them if your anti-malware didn't get rid of them already. Uncheck them. Do not let them run. There's usually malware or viruses. Okay, I just played the voicemails. Let me read a couple emails. Jeff writes... I read that already, Jeff. Sorry about that. Okay. Hey, Steve. Came across this article on the web on how to delete, modify, or disable an incorrect or duplicate entry on the XP boot menu. This seems to ring a bell from an old Podnutz Daily show, but I thought I'd email the link just in case